Hey guys, it's Matt Stinchcomb coming to you from Xmark's Game Day headquarters. Most sports fans will agree, few things can liven up a backyard sports party more than great tasting food served up from great looking cooking areas. However, no matter how much many of us may crave a setup like this one, it might not be practical due to space, cost, or upkeep that's involved. So in today's Done in a Weekend Game Day tip, we'll show you an easy and cost-effective outdoor cooking island build that'll help transform your grill, smoker, and cooler into a food and beverage focal point sure to keep your friends and family well fed and wowed in time for kickoff, tip-off, or face-off. The overall design and style our build team has chosen was inspired by examples found on social media, so keep in mind that your end product may vary slightly from ours depending on the size of the dedicated cooking area and specific grill, smoker, and cooler you have to work with. Our materials, namely cedar structural posts and cosmetic exterior slats used for the island surround, and hardware to fasten them together securely, were purchased to house a 47-inch tall by 28 3/4-inch wide by 24 1/2-inch deep gas grill, medium-sized smoker, and 54-quart stainless cooler. While the cooler and gas grill that we opted for is readily available at a wide variety of big box home and garden retailers, I'd recommend that you purchase your smoker from a store that specializes in them. That way you'll have access to specialty accessories or items that you might need or want down the road. To inject a little creativity and avoid the possibility of you daydreaming on the sideline, we've decided to reveal our start to finish construction in time lapse. But we'll be including a detailed supply list and step-by-step build instructions as a downloadable PDF at xmark.com/college to supplement this video. Now how about that for instant replay? I hope this DIY project overview inspires you to take what is otherwise ordinary appliances into an attractive and cohesive part of your game day gathering space. As always, be sure to check out xmark.com/college for more game day tips. Until next time, get outside and into the game.